So hello, welcome. So I'm going to teach you how to remove a screen protector and how you can install your tempered glass, proper tempered glass. So there is a, you can see there is a sign of here, or you can see there is this, some type of things here. So you can see I can remove it from here, so it is easily removed. All screen guard have this type of sign, some sign, like for example it will be some U cut here. So now let's do. So you can see there is a two stuff here. You can see wet and dry. First of all, let's use wet one, so we can remove all the dust particles, unwanted dust particle. I don't want these in my screen guard, tempered glass. Tempered glass is important. So let's wash it clean. Let's clean it very okay. So let me clean properly. So it will take some time if you are doing it this first time. So I'm gonna use this dry cloth, or what do we call it, I don't know the name. This is some kind of tissue. Okay, let's wash. Let me clean all the remaining things. So you can see the screen is very clean. Wow, I love this work. Working with own is amazing feeling. If you are doing your work by own, like applying tempered glass, building PC, this will satisfy you a lot. So tons of people use these satisfaction to enjoy their life. So you can see I'm doing this properly. So let me do once again. It's supposed to be done by professional, but I'm not professional, but I will do my job properly. Okay, I think there is no dust particles here, so we can apply, I think, tempered glass. I think there is some dust particle here. Okay, I think everything is good. So this is our main tempered glass. This is a Gorilla Glass, I think. Let me apply it properly. So you need to remove this one, and you can see remove this one slowly and carefully. Wow. So you need simply put on the screen. You can see, let me show you how you can do this. For example, click carefully, see all the corner and measure it properly. Okay, I am putting down. Okay, clean. Wow, perfect, bro. That's cool. You can see this is a very good feeling of applying tempered glass. Satisfying. This is very satisfying work. But for my own satisfaction, so you can see all these. So remaining bubbles will all wash out. They will remove automatically by hitting the phone. If you use phone, it will remove, because they will not last long. I had done this type of work before in my previous phone. So let me clean it properly. Wait a second now. So now you can see I can do this if I need hurry and I need to remove bubbles. Hurry. If you let it go, it will automatically removed by themselves, by self. I think that's a right word. Just there is a little bubble here, but I think it will automatically remove by self. I think this tempered glass have some self filling feature, like they will remove all the bubbles. So I think that's all in this video.